Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. It's me Shera. Welcome to my another coding video. So today I'm gonna teach you the first step of Python. So we can use any website like Thorny, VC, W3, Trinket. So I'm gonna use Trinket. So firstly we need to open a new Trinket and I'm gonna write here or save it with day one. So we need to know about print. Print print is a tag which can print anything in the output like my name is Sheda. If you print here, click here on and it will be print in the output and this is the output area and here is the code area and in the button is to run or view the result. And firstly we need to know about integer, float, string and command. So is let's talk about firstly integer. And if we talk about these three of these are data types and data types are mainly divided into three types. Those are integer, float and string. Integer are numbers. Integer and numbers, those are this one. You can use these numbers. But in integer, you don't need to use any double quotation or single quotation. In float, you also don't need to use any double quotation or single quotation. And it is started with decimal like 1.0, 23.89, anything. And string that is started with double quotation and single quotation. It is must and very important. And command is started with hashtag. It always avoided. And if you want to run this, it no print or output will be shown in this area because those all are command. And commands are also divided into two types. Those are the single quotation and multi-line quotation. Meaning multi-line and one quotation. This is the single and one quotation is the multi-line. So if we write here hashtags like my name is Sheda and print here I like to do coding, this will be avoid. Let's try it here. That means it always avoided. And in integer we never need to use any double quotation or single quotation. It will also print. But if you want to print any string or alphabet, you must need to use single quotation or double quotation. Double quotation and single quotation is the same in Python prints. And if you write here that my name is Shera and another line single quotation I like to do coding here, it will print anything. And in string you need to use double quotation and in float you can also not you can it's your opinion, you can also not use to this decimal. And here see, and data types are divided into many. Let me show you something. Here is the data type. Those are data types. You must need to memorize those things. Like text type is always string, like double quotation and single quotation. Numeric type is string, float, complex. Subsequence is list, tuple, range. Mapping type is dict. Set type is set, throw set. Boolean type is bool. Binary type is binary, byte, memory view. Non-time is non-view. But if you need to memorize these data types, you must need to know about a knowledge about variables are very important in Python. And those x y z anything, those are variables and variables never need any double quotation or single quotation to print. And all those are data types. And Those are all very, very important. If you talk about booleans, booleans are always true and false. Those do not need any double quotation or single quotation. And if you talk about list, list is always used with third quotation, must double quotation and a comma. And list is list. It has no short form. And all those are in here is short form. Range. If you want to talk about range, range is to repeat something, and non-time is always not type. So, if you want to know about data types, you need to have a knowledge about variables, and variables are divided into five types. Those are variable names, assign variable, multi-line variables, output variables, global variables, and variable exercise. You must need to knowledge about these variables. In the next video, I will talk about the Python variables. So that's today. Bye.